let's do a quick little thing on how to do simple math using Scratch. Now you're already familiar with these things, so I'm going to just show you what we're doing. I'm going to calculate, let's say I'm tracking my weight and I'm trying to lose weight. So I have when my flag is clicked, ask what your start weight is and then weight, and remember that's in the sensing section here. And I clicked answer because we're going to use the answer to that, and we're going to set it to the variable start weight. So let me go over to data, and so I have made three variables: current weight, goal weight, and start weight. So first thing I'm going to do is save my answer in start weight, so that's my starting weight. I'm going to ask what the current weight is, and I'm going to save my answer in the variable current weight, and I ask what my goal weight is, and then I'm going to set the answer to that to my goal weight. So let's see, let's do some math here. Let's say I want to figure out how much weight I have lost. So I'm going to say let's create a new variable. Though I could do this directly in here, I like to do it with a variable because it's easier for me to track if I need to use it later. So the variable will be called weight loss, and it's going to be for this sprite only. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to set weight loss to equal an equation. So go to operators, and here we have the math equations, the math operations, and these are the comparison, the logical operations. So I want to do math, and I want to calculate my weight loss. Now my weight loss is going to be my start weight minus my current weight. So I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to go back to my data, and I'm going to say weight loss equals start weight minus current weight. Alright, and then let's say make sure it works. So I'm going to say tell me my weight loss for 2 seconds. So I use my looks, I go back to data, and I'm going to say tell me my weight loss for 2 seconds. So let's click the green flag. My start weight I'm going to say is 150, and notice it changed up here because I was running this before. So let's see, what's your current weight? I'm going to say is 120, and that means and it's going to ask me my goal weight. So my goal weight's in there because I'm going to do something else with this. My goal weight say is 100. So should have a weight loss of 150 minus 120. It should say 30, and it does. So we know that this here is working. So I'm going to pull it off. I don't care about this anymore. So maybe I should say, have I met my goal weight? Am I at my goal weight? How much do I have left to go? So I'm going to say, I want to do this with a control. I'm going to say if, then else. If I've met my goal weight, then I want to congratulate myself. So first thing is, I know what my goal weight is, but I don't know what my weight loss is. So we could do this several ways, but I'm going to do it using math so that you can practice it. So let's create data. Let's make a variable, and let's call it to go weight, pounds. Okay. And what we're going to do is calculate that out. So we're going to say set to go pounds, and we're going to do math. So go back to the operators. To go pounds is going to equal my current weight. So let's go back to data. It's going to equal my current weight. Whoop. Let me get that in there. Minus my goal weight. And so we're going to say, actually let's run it just to make sure it works. So let's say looks, let's say hello. So we want it to tell me my to go pounds, how many pounds do I have left to go. And let's run it. So I'm going to say my start weight for purposes of this is say 100, because it'll be easy to figure out. Let's say my current weight is 90, and let's say my goal weight is 70. Okay, so if my current weight is 90 and my goal weight is 70, then my to go pounds should be 20. And there, to go pounds equals 20, which is ridiculous, but I'm just picking that. Another standard. Okay, so now I'm going to say, if I've reached my goal, which means if my to go pounds is 0 or less, so what I want to do is get my logical operator here, and I'm going to say, go back to data, if my to go pounds is greater than 0, So in other words, I still have stuff to do. Then I'm going to say, actually, let's do it this way. Let me pull this guy out. Let's calculate it out. Let's create another variable. Okay, and that would be, let's see, 2 go pounds. Actually, we already have this. Let's cancel this. Okay, so we're going to say, operators, we're going to do a join, and we're going to say your 2 go pounds, 2 go pounds, pounds, space, to go. Right? Otherwise, we're going to say, good job, you are done. And let's run it. And we're going to say, well, my start weight's 200. Let's check the first part first. Let's say that we still have pounds to go. So I'm going to say my start weight's 200, my current weight's 150, and my goal weight is 120. So I should have 30 to go. And it says 30 to go. Okay, because I have this here, that's why I showed it twice. Let me pull this out. And let's say that I'm done. So I'm going to say my start weight is 200, my current weight is 115, and my goal weight was 120. So let's just say good job, you're done. So this is how we do comparisons. This is one way to do them. And this is how we can do math. And if you have any questions, please let me know.